Hi guys. So today I will discuss two important items in data structure and I will show you their differences with example. So stack class uses vector and queue interface uses linked list. So what I'll do now is I'll initiate list for stack and queue first. Stack then I'll initiate some integer variable to send it in the list. First, I will add these integers in the stack list. Then I will print the list. Okay. So I'll do the same thing for queue. All right. Okay, so next I'll show you how to pick at the list. So if you pick, you'll see the difference between stack and queue, because stack follows the LIFO method and queue follows the FIFO method. So what is LIFO? LIFO means last in, first out, and FIFO means first in, first out. So let's do a pick for both of them. All right, let's run it. Okay, as you can see, stack follows the LIFO method, last in first out. So if you look at the list, you'll see the list is like in the index 0 we have 5, then we have 10, then we have 15. So you can see the last one that came in the list is 15, and when we do the pick, we're seeing 15. That means 15 came last, and after the pick, 15 came out first. And for FIFO, first in first out, so 5 came first in the list, and after the pick method is used, we're seeing that 5 is showing in the response. So that means it followed the first in and first out method. So that is the difference between LIFO and FIFO. So let's start. Now we want to take the empty the list according to the LIFO and FIFO method. So in order to do that, we have to use because since it's a list, I'm gonna use the while loop. So let's start while stack list not is empty. Print out the stack pop, stack dot pop. All right, and I'm gonna do the same thing for Q. For Q, we have to use something else, not pop dot Paul. All right. Okay. Stack and Q. Oh, okay. All right. So let's phrase them properly so that we can understand the console better. Okay. All right, let's see how it looks. Okay. So let's give some space in between so that we can understand the result better properly. Okay. So if I do put a space here, okay, so now, okay, first of all, what is pop and Paul? So there are two ways to add items in the stack list and two ways to add items in the queue list. So if we can use stack.add or we can use stack.push. Those are the two ways to enter values in the stack list. And for queue, we can use add or offer. So instead of add, we can use offer. And to take them out, we have to use, for stack it's pop, and for queue it's pol. So let's look at the result and see the differences. I have explained you the LIFO method and FIFO method previously, so I'll just continue from there what I'm printing in stack after popping and queue after polling. So when I'm emptying the stack and queue, if you look at the stack, you'll see stack follows the LIFO method, so last in first out. The last one is we saw 15 in the list, so 15 came out first, then 10 came out, then 5 came out. So this is the sequence of last in first out, and for queue it's FIFO. If you look at the queue list, it's 5, 10 and 15. 5 went in first and it came out first, so then 10 second and 15 the last. So this is a short review of how the stack and queue works. If you guys just follow the code and just do it yourself, it will be more clear to you. And that's all for today. So thank you for watching. I'll come back in the next video. Thank you.